Alright, we just hiked a quarry. You might be able to see that down there. I'm going to zoom in. It's a long hike, and it's very slippery and it's very humid out here. And the smell of my new shirt is nice, because this humid is making my shirt smell new. My new smell. Fumes come up into my nose. There it is, the quarry down there. We just went down there and went through that hole. Got a picture down there. And I'm pointing up to like some rocks so you'll see it. And it's no water in this quarry. Here it is. That's it, we just hiked down there. Went on this. This is the no water quarry. Ka-ching. Here's a smile for all you that say I don't smile.